What exactly constitutes bribery, and why is it a significant concern? This video delves into the UK Bribery Act 2010, its history, and its implications. Discover the legal framework that aims to curb corruption and ensure ethical conduct. Bribery involves offering or receiving an advantage to influence improper actions. It extends beyond cash to gifts, hospitality, and more. This act corrupts decision-making processes. Understanding this broad definition is crucial. It highlights the need for stringent legal measures. Before 2010, UK bribery laws were outdated and ineffective. They were a patchwork of Victorian statutes and common law. These laws were difficult to prosecute and often ignored. The UK faced international criticism for weak enforcement. A modern legal framework was urgently needed. The UK signed the OECD Anti-Bribery Convention, but lacked effective legislation. Reports called for law consolidation and modernization. The Before Anyone Else Systems case highlighted enforcement weaknesses. The Bribery Act 2010 was introduced to address these issues. It aimed to create a comprehensive anti-bribery regime. The Bribery Act 2010 is a comprehensive statute. It covers bribery in public and private sectors. Its extraterritorial reach makes it one of the toughest laws globally. It applies to UK citizens and businesses worldwide. This ensures accountability beyond borders. The Act is structured into key sections. Section 1 addresses bribing another person. Section 2 deals with being bribed. Section 6 focuses on bribing foreign public officials. Section 7 introduces corporate failure to prevent bribery. Propriety determines when a gift crosses into bribery. It relies on what a reasonable UK person would expect. Local customs do not justify improper actions. The expectation test is central to this evaluation. It is outlined in Section 5 of the Act. The Act applies to functions connected to business or public roles. It includes both paid and unpaid, formal and informal activities. The function must meet conditions of good faith or impartiality. Trust is also a key factor. These elements define relevant activities. Improper performance breaches expectations of good faith or impartiality. It can be an act or omission. Local customs cannot justify improper actions. The link between a bribe and improper performance is crucial. This ensures accountability for unethical conduct. Not all gifts are bribes. Reasonable gifts are part of business culture. The intent to influence improper actions is the key factor. Warning signs include cash or lavish hospitality. Transparency and proportionality are essential in gift giving. The Act defines 4 key offenses: bribing another, being bribed, bribing foreign officials, and failing to prevent bribery. Each offense addresses different aspects of corruption. Corporate liability is a significant addition. This comprehensive approach targets all bribery facets. Section 1 targets those offering advantages for improper actions. The intent to induce improper conduct is enough. The advantage does not need to be accepted. It applies to both public and private sectors. This section ensures comprehensive coverage. Section 2 focuses on the receiving side of bribery. Requesting or accepting an advantage is covered. The mere act of asking can be improper. This section captures indirect benefits as well. It ensures accountability for those accepting bribes. Section 6 addresses bribing foreign officials. Offering advantages to influence official capacity is an offense. Facilitation payments are not allowed. The section applies globally to UK nationals and bodies. This ensures international accountability. Section 7 introduces strict corporate liability. Organizations are liable if associated persons commit bribery. Adequate procedures are the only defense. This section emphasizes the need for preventive measures. It holds organizations accountable for associated actions. Section 7 applies to associated persons like employees or agents. If they commit bribery for the organization's benefit, liability arises. The section does not require proof of management knowledge. Adequate procedures are crucial for defense. This section enforces organizational responsibility. Individuals face severe penalties under the Act. Maximum imprisonment of 10 years is possible. Unlimited fines can be imposed. Disqualification from directorship is a potential consequence. These penalties underscore the seriousness of bribery offenses. Companies face unlimited fines for bribery offenses. Additional penalties include confiscation orders. Debarment from public contracts is a serious consequence. Deferred prosecution agreements offer an alternative resolution. These penalties highlight the financial impact of non-compliance. Major companies like Rolls-Royce and Airbus have faced prosecution. These cases involved significant financial penalties. They highlight systemic failures in anti-bribery controls. The enforcement demonstrates the Act's reach and seriousness. It serves as a warning for all organizations. The Bribery Act 2010 establishes a modern anti-bribery framework. It addresses both individual and corporate liability. Understanding its provisions is crucial for compliance. The Act's enforcement underscores its significance. Ensuring ethical conduct is now a legal obligation. Should you have any questions, please contact us via WhatsApp at 07484 361 688. Our team will gladly support you. Thanks for your time, and see you soon!